In my previous video, I explained properties of a rational number. Commutative property, associative property, closure property, and multiplicative inverse, additive inverse. So now I am solving giving examples of all those property on the base of multiplication. Okay, so first question is find product and verify by commutative property for multiplication. So commutative property means A into B equals to B into A. So 4 upon 5 into minus 5 upon 8 equals to minus 5 upon 8 into 4 upon 5. So 5 will be cancelled. 5, sorry, yeah, correct. These two will be cancelled. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So minus 1 upon 2 equals to minus 1 upon 2. Hence it is verified that LHS equals to RHS. Now next question, find product and verify associative property for multiplication. So associative property is A into B into C equals to A into bracket B into C. Okay. So example is 1 upon 7 into minus 5 upon 2 into 7 upon 12 equals to 1 upon 7 into minus 5 upon 2 into 7 upon 12. So minus 5 upon 14 into 7 upon 12. First we will solve this bracket. So minus 5 upon 14 into 7 upon 12 equals to 1 upon 7 into minus 35 upon 24. Okay. So minus now 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14. So minus 5 upon 12 2 is 24. It is our next step. Equals to now 7 1 is 7, 7 5 is 35. So it is minus 5 upon 24. So hence it is verified that LHS equals to RHS. It is verified. Okay. Now next property which I didn't explain yesterday, that was distributive property. Simplify and verify by distributive property. So according to this distributive property, means A into B plus C, A into B plus C equals to AB plus AC. We can write directly. So A into open bracket B plus C close bracket equals to AB plus AC. So I am solving this sum on the base of distributive property. So minus 5 upon 8 into 5 upon 3. ये जो नंबर है ये पहले इससे मल्टीप्लाई होगा, देन प्लस 1 upon 3 into 5 upon 3. फिर ये नंबर इससे मल्टीप्लाई होगा, सी ए बी प्लस ए सी. So it will become minus 25 upon 24 plus 5 upon 9. Okay. Now next step will be, I hope you can solve it. It's next step. So okay, it is LHS. Now RHS will be minus 5 upon 8 plus 1 upon 3, and first we will solve the bracket upon 1 upon 3. So here 24 minus 15 plus 8 into 5 upon 3. Then minus 7 upon 24 into 5 upon 3. So whatever the LHS means, if we solve this, so LHS will become equal to RHS. So here after solving RHS, answer will be minus 35 upon 72. Okay. So here also minus 35 upon 72 will come. Hence LHS equals to RHS. Hence it is verified. Next example is, product of two rational number is 15 upon 22. If one number is this, find the other. This is product. So our solution is, this is product. So let other number be x. Okay, means minus 5 upon 6 is multiplied by x. So its product will become 15 upon 22. We have to find out x. So x equals to 15 upon 22 into 6 upon minus 5. We are transposing minus 5 upon 6. Since these two are multiplying, so it will transfer to right side and become its reciprocal. Okay. So 5 ones are 5, 5 3s are 15, 2 3s are 6, 2 11s are 22. So value of x is 9 upon minus 11. It's our answer. Okay. Now by what number, next question is, by what number 7 upon 16 be multiplied? So product be this. It is same, it is first one means fourth one. So solution is again, let other number be x. Okay. So 7 upon 16 multiplied by x equals to 46 upon 28. Okay. So 46 upon 28 into 16 upon 7. 4 4s are 16, 4 7s are 28. So value of x will become 4 6 are 30, 4 6 are 24. So 184 upon 49 is our answer. Okay, means 184 upon 49 is multiplied by this, its product will become this. Now next question is, if a plus b divided by a minus b, find a plus b divided by a minus b if value of a is this and value of b is this. So first our solution will start from a plus b. We will find out value of a plus b. So minus 6 upon 7 plus minus 2 upon 5. So it will become minus 44 upon 35. Now next is first, then we will find out value of a minus c. Okay, so minus 6 upon 7 minus 2 upon 5. Okay, so 35 minus 30 minus 14. So it will become minus 30 plus 14 upon 35, means minus 16 upon 35. Okay. Now we have to divide these two numbers, means a plus b divided by a minus b. So value of a is minus 44 upon 35, a plus b, this, divided by, okay, look here, divided by a minus b minus 16 upon 35. So minus 44 upon 35 into 35 upon minus 16. डिवाइड का साइन हटाएंगे, मल्टीप्लाई का साइन लगाते हैं तो राइट साइड का नंबर रेसिप्रोकल हो जाता है. यह आपने स्मॉल क्लासेस में पढ़ा होगा. 35 कैंसिल, 4 11 जा, 4 4 जा, minus and minus will be cancelled. So answer will become 11 upon 4. Okay. So it's our answer. Next question is, by what number this be divided to get this? So let number be x. So 65 upon 30 divided by x. I am writing from here. So 65 upon 30 divided by x equals to minus 13 upon 6. Okay. So next step will be 65 upon 30 into 1 upon x, 1 upon x equals to minus 13 upon 6. So 65 upon 30, now 1 upon x equals to minus 13 upon 6 equals to 30 upon 65. 6 1 ja, 6 5 ja, 13 1 ja, 13 5 ja, 5 5 cancelled. So 1 upon x equals to minus 1. So x equals to also minus 1. It's our answer.